struggle to get your small embellishments onto your cards? Hi, I'm Jessica Taylor from Ink It Up with Jessica, and in this video I'm going to give you 3 quick tips for easily adding small embellishments like rhinestones or sequins to your cards right where you want them. So here I have my almost finished card ready to add some iridescent rhinestones. One tool that is really helpful for placing your embellishments is the Take Your Pick tool. 2 of the ends are the ones that I use for adding embellishments. The first one is this putty end, so it just has putty on the end here that you can kind of play with. It also, when it stops being very sticky, you can pull it off and then turn this and more putty will come out and you can get refills for it. So this can be helpful for picking up your embellishments. I find it easiest to push them off where they started. So kind of push them to the side and then you can pick them up with the putty. So then you can put them on to your card right where you want it. I use my finger to kind of hold it in place and then push it down. So that's one way. The second way is with the spatula end of the Take Your Pick tool. So this one you can kind of get it under. Sometimes it's a little bit harder depending on the embellishment. As you can see, this one's kind of popping around. I find this one actually maybe works better with the sequins, but if you can get it under there, then you can kind of slide it over to your card. The nice thing about the putty end is that you're kind of putting it straight where you want it. This one you kind of have to hold it in place with your finger and move the spatula, and then it's right where you want it. The third way that I often add embellishments is with my paper snips. Because I usually have these handy and I don't always have the Take Your Pick tool out, I will just take the very tip of the scissors to pick that up. See how easy that was? And then I will just place that on my card and again push it down with my finger. So basically I find it easier to pick up the embellishments with a tool rather than my finger, because when I try to pick them up with just my fingers, usually they stick to my fingers and it's harder to get them onto my card. So I hope that you found these quick tips helpful. If there's anything else you struggle with in your card making, please let me know in the comments so I can make a video to help you. Thanks for watching.